Somebody asked me today, what is my thought process when choosing components for my mobile system? I did a really long video on this, and I want to make this one a lot shorter. So to make a long story short, I did have that stroke in 2011. So if I was going to go out there and work by myself again with my limited physical abilities, I had to build a system that was easy to not only carry and load up, but unload, set up, use, break down, and load back up, all by myself. The first system, I did what I could. It did work. It was a lot of work. But today, it's gotten so much easier. If you look at a picture even from 4 years ago, which popped up in my newsfeed, you can see the system I'm using today is very different. You know, and anytime a piece of equipment comes out that makes things easier, and it's just as good as what I was using before or better, I'm all over it. It's kind of like harder, better, faster, stronger, but then add smaller and lighter to the equation, and that's the kind of stuff that I tend to gravitate towards. And what I have now works really well. It's a lot smaller than what I started out with. It's a lot easier to set up. Ease of use is a big thing for me too, because I don't like DMX. A lot of people love it. I don't like it. I never have. I've never made a secret of that. I've used it when I felt like I had to, but if I don't have to, I don't. And the Ape stuff that I'm using, I don't have to use DMX. I can use the RF remote and the built-in stuff, and it works really, really well. I won't get too into that. Every time I try to get too into it, people, think I'm trying to sell, and I'm not trying to sell. I'm just telling you what I use and why. So please let's not have a misunderstanding on that one in this video. Same with the speakers. I was using the Frankenstands, which worked great. They were what allowed me to get a speaker up in the air. And then I had to use smaller speakers that I could pick up with one hand and set on the Frankenstand. Now I'm using column arrays. And I've been through a few column arrays. Every column array that I've used is considerably easier than any of the top cabinet and tripods that I was using before. But, I'm really happy with the Evolve stuff. I've been running the 50s for, I don't know, since they came out, I guess, or before they came out I was running them. I had a prototype, an early prototype, which is not what I'm using. I'm using what you guys are using for Evolve 50s. I got rid of that prototype and got a regular one. But now I'm using the Evolve 30Ms, which I thought were kind of a speaker for maybe really small events, and they weren't as capable as the 50s, but they turned out, as far as, how I'm using them, just as capable as the 50s. In fact, they actually have the bonus of the Dynacord mixer with the built-in 8-channel band mixer in it with effects and all kinds of stuff that I probably won't use a lot, but it's there, and it's smaller and lighter than the 50. So, seeing how our events now are smaller, I'm doing one tomorrow that's like 80 people. Why not use a speaker that's really built for smaller events? A very capable speaker built for smaller events. I think I can go up to 150 with that one. But yeah, I've changed mixers, I've changed lights, I've changed tables. The ADJ Pro Vent table was really a lifesaver for a couple of reasons. First of all, it put the height at a better place than I'd ever had it. The banquet tables were a little low. I was bending over a lot to get to things and to type in things on the laptop. Not doing that with the Pro Vent table. The height is wonderful. And it's a lot easier to set up than something like a collapsible 6-foot banquet table and a scrim would be. It goes up a lot faster. It doesn't weigh as much. And it solves problems I didn't even know it was going to solve when I got it. So that's kind of my thought process. Things need to be easier, more lightweight, just as good or better than what I was using before. And yeah, as soon as that tech hits, I'm all over it. So that's it. Just a quick video for you. I might put another video up later. Got some stuff going on. They're citing the house next door, so my driveway is occupied, so I can't really load right now. But I'm getting a lot of things ready to go out for my event tomorrow. All I got to do is get my driveway back, probably after 5. So anyway, that's it, guys. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Practice and enjoy.